Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, we're disconnecting all the throttle cables, as you can see. Just got to work out this cruise. Got a cruise on this particular bike. Start motor's off, okay. Primary's off. So basically we're taking all the primary off, all down here. It's all safe, don't worry. But as you can see here, this is the old heat gun to get this bloody nut off, okay. We've got the socket available from us. 65 quid for a socket, 150 from Jim's or Harley, okay. So basically we've got to do this left hand thread, okay, but masses are Loctite normally on the bloody things, okay. Then we're going to change the belt, involves taking all this lot off. Hopefully we can get a belt through here, but you know, we will see, okay. And then basically the engine's going to come out, bolt, a lot of crap behind here, as you can see. But nice looking bike, you know, well worth doing. We're sticking S&S 124. If anyone wants a good engine, and this engine has had all the cams done, just kept wants more power to keep up with me, haha. But because I'm sticking my speed back in, which was way more powerful than any Harley. But with S&S 124, it should go like a bloody rocket. So basically we're going to stick a new belt on it, an S&S high strength belt. It's high strength Kevlar. But getting on with this now, and as you can see, getting there to get the engine out. All the primaries have been taken off, okay. And basically we will be, hopefully later on the same day, sorting this out. Keep watching, thank you.